Hey Matt, it's Matt Stone here at Paul Sadler Motors. I've got this 1985 GMC CK pickup to show you. Here it is. It's a regular cab with a long box. Got a cool front end on it. Has about 340,000 original kilometers, but it's been all updated since then. It's got some cool Boss wheels on it. Show you in the box, they put a spray and liner in. It's got a dual exhaust on the back of it. Very, very clean truck. It's a Wrangler. Bench seat, sliding rear window. Let me know if that is something that interests you, Matt. I can find out a little more about the motor and powertrain, and then if you want to come in on Tuesday, you can come look at it in person and take a closer look at it. Talk to you soon.